Nobody come here with that definition.
Yeah.
This is not Flames 007 channel. This is Flames God channel. Flames 007 do him like a TikTok video them and like a funny video them. Brother. Please exit my set. Boy, I try running for a man thing. Plus, him even do it like this. Hey! Wait, nah. More like, hey! What's up, you guys? It's your boy Flame God here today to finish the story we began earlier, and today we're also going to give away a free gift card. So, stay tuned.
Hit the floor, let the bodies hit the floor, let the bodies hit the floor, let the bodies hit the
As I was, doing my thing, she was like, do you know what backshot is? And I was like, yeah. You did not want to know what went through my head. I was like, yeah. So she turned around, and when she turned around, I was looking like oh, no. Then as I started to penetrate her, she went down to grab into my bed head, and as she was holding on to my bed head, she was like rocking it because your boy was working. And now I was saying how your boy was working, you know what I mean? So, anyways, while I was there doing my thing, I heard crick. I wasn't paying that no man. I heard crick. And then I wasn't paying that no man either. Then I hear crack. By the time I came through, she gripped my bed head and popped it right off. I mean, like the thing flew out. Like when you open a plane door. It was like whoosh, gone through my door. I was like, the beep. I was like, mom will kill me. Guys, I never got a bedded after that. Yeah, that was the first and the last time my bed had a bedded. So, I guess the moral of the story is, when you're going to do something like that, guys, don't let her grab the bed. Yeah. So anyways, I hope you guys like the video, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and gift cards coming up soon. So, stay tuned. Catch you guys on the flip video.